Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Sumit. You're watching DESIgnition and I've come back to Whitehorse Car Spa powered by AutoCare, and I've come here because my car's really dirty and it needs a wash. But it's not just your everyday regular wash, it's a special wash because it's wash plus disinfecting the entire car from the inside, from the outside. And the best part about it is that it is being done at the same price as they used to do it before. The wash prices, whatever it was. Actually, Abhi, the owner of this place, told me that it's actually anywhere between 50 to 100 rupees cheaper than it used to be. So that's pretty awesome. And I'm actually quite excited to get my car washed and disinfected. The difference between a regular wash and this is that they're using a disinfectant instead of just water. This is actually the same chemical that is being used to sanitize a lot of public places, buses, trains, etc. Interesting. And yes, the car is very dirty. I haven't washed it since returning from my last road trip to Dandeli and Yellapur. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure that you click on the link above and check it out. It's a very interesting travelogue because I reached Dandeli just when they had started to shut down places in Karnataka. Yes, just before the nationwide lockdown. Next step is obviously snow foam, which by the way is not just foam, it is foam with that disinfectant again. The ratio is 4:1, 4 parts of foam and 1 part of the disinfectant, of course. One of the reasons why I come to Whitehorse Car Spa for washing my cars or any detailing work for that matter is because the guys who work here, these boys are very hard working. That's Abhi, by the way, the entrepreneur who runs this place. The attention to detail here is amazing. Like you can see how he is not keeping any space on the paint without the foam. And that is something all of us who love our cars so much would really appreciate. You can actually smell the chemical. It smells kind of funny. I never thought that I would see a Scooty Pep at a detailing studio, but well, here we are. This is the 2005 Scooty Pep. 2005. 15 years. And look at the color popping out. This is insane. It really is. I'll try and share the pictures of how it used to look before and how it looks now. You can see the difference. It's insane. And finally, it's getting rinsed with water and that same disinfectant once again. By the way, this is the same studio where I got the paint protection treatment done for my Honda BRV. You can check out the entire process, how it looked before, how it looks after, if it's worth the time and money, etc. by clicking on the link above. I've been coming here ever since because they did such a good job at such a good price, and I got this 3-year package. So they do the restoration every 6 months free of cost. Yes, that's pretty awesome. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. No one's gonna sponsor us anytime soon. We are still just taking off. I like to see businesses like this do well so that hard work is rewarded and good entrepreneurs are encouraged while also helping people finding right places to take care of their vehicles. They're vacuuming the interiors, which are also quite dirty because I had taken some rough terrains during the Dandeli road trip and the windows were open for a while as well. Yeah, it's really dirty. You see this? They are now polishing the interiors, and here as well they use the disinfectant. Not only for the exterior paint and the interiors, even for tire and rim polish, they've mixed the disinfectant with the polish. This is how the car looks now. It does look quite pretty, even though I've driven it for over 50 kilometers in the last 2 days since the wash. If you're wondering how the skin looks so glossy, then there are 2 reasons. First is the paint protection layer on it. Again, if you haven't watched my video on it, you should by clicking on the link above. And apart from that, I wax my car every 1.5 to 2 months. And it shows. So, it's washed and disinfected, which is damn cool because no one's falling sick in my car until and unless someone who already has coronavirus enters the car. If you are sick, do not meet me. Definitely do not enter my car. You're not allowed. What am I even talking about? Talking about positive things, I plan on getting the restoration done, the 18-month restoration for the 3-year package for the paint protection treatment that I had from White Horse Car Spa. I'll be getting it done in a couple of weeks. I don't plan on making a video on that, but in case if you want to know how the procedure is and if it really helps and stuff like that, do let me know in the comments below and I will make a video for you. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Very important that you do. Bye. By the way, if you don't feel like going out and rather have someone come over to your house and have your vehicles washed, detailed, etc., you can connect with White Horse Car Spa as they provide doorstep services as well. All the contact details are mentioned in the description below.